A few quick admin things on the indicator. Not really admin, I don't know what it is. Anyway, so some of you guys are asking about this RSI line. RSI will go onto the chart from the 0 to the 100 line. If you have a stock price that's between that, you'll see it directly on the chart. So for instance, Pfizer's at 24, 25. If you zoom out, you can see the whole thing. But now what if we do SPY or something? It's a much higher stock price. You can see it on the bottom here. But if I zoom out, you won't see the RSI, okay? So a few little things you could do is just drag down here until you get to that 0-100 line. You can see the RSI here. Or if you're having trouble seeing like me because I'm looking at screens all day and I have to go to the eye doctor soon, you could just drag down until you get there. And you can see it here, okay? So be aware of where the price is of whatever you're looking at. If it happens to be between 0 and 100, you'll see it there anyway, okay? Now, a few other indicators that you can use with TheTapro. Sorry for my dog. Indicators. So some of the ones that I look at times, I'll do the anchored VWAP click from Clay Puzzle. These are all free, by the way. My dog is ridiculous. For the way that this one works, let's go to the actual candles. And then when you click it, you can see the VWAP at a certain time frame. You can just cancel it out, add it back in. Technical difficulties. Let's see. It's weird. Let me see. All right, set the start connection. So you can pick where you're going to look at. This is the thick blue line here. If you start at the bottom, it'll be the recent low. This is what I usually look at as the recent low and the recent high. And you could drag it over, okay? Zoom out more. And then if you want, you can just drag it to where you want. A few others that I sometimes look at. Canceled out the wrong one. Keep my TheTapro on. All right. Sometimes I'll look at the, what was it? Order blocks flux charts from Flux Chart. I put TheTapro twice by mistake. Just get rid of one. Now this shows order blocks where there's a lot of volume at a certain place. You can see in this recent low for SPY. So an order block here, what this might mean is if the candles happen to drop down here, this could act as a type of resistance because there's a lot of volume. Institutions and whatnot might want to bring it back up. Volume profile is the third one that I sometimes use. Volume profile will show from KV coins. They'll show you volume at different prices. If you see a big gap where there's not much volume, it could sometimes drop to the next large volume amount. So right now over here, there's low volume. There's a good chance we could drop down around 581 or so. If we hit to 581 and there's still more downtrend, we could go all the way down to like 568 or so. Again, these are 3 different indicators I use sometimes with TheTapro. Many times I just stay right with this. Keep it simple. Too many cooks spoil the broth. All right, guys, have a good rest of the day. See you guys on the next one.